Hi all. Well, I've got to start off with a massive apology to the team at Daniel Market who coordinate events there. I thought the Curry Festival was on yesterday and I went down and I couldn't find it and I sort of bagged them a bit, but it was my bad. It's on today. It's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. And I'm heading down there today again just to check it out and see what I can come up with. Hopefully I won't stuff anything up this time. So let's go, let's check it out. So it's another magnificent day and I don't know if I can eat any more curry, but I'm just gonna check the scene out, see what it's like. Hopefully there'll be different varieties of curries there. Who knows, I might get tempted, you never know. So I'm looking forward to going there actually. Well, I'm doing the walk again. I parked about 200 meters away and I'm just looking at some of the shops here, and they've got Doorsup Plaza, Malaysian authentic cuisines, you know, Indian. I'm just getting hungry looking at the bloody things. It doesn't appear to be as crowded as what it was yesterday. So dedicated area this time, which is great. And I found it. So I'm just going to do a walk around, see what's around, and hopefully I'll find something to eat. Food trucks around, and there's a South African one here. I've never had South African food. This looks interesting. Taste of Senegal. Some black bean fritters. It's from Senegal. I'm gonna try that out. Let's see what it's like. I can see that.
Is that okay?
That's totally fine.
There you go, guys.
It's black bean fritters with some got a tomato sauce on there. It's quite nice. Very tasty. So the Indian music going on. It's good. Some black bean sauces, black bean little round balls. That's all I can say how to describe them. And they were from Senegal and they're quite tasty actually, not spicy at all. So yeah, look, the market was set up well. Well, I found the Curry Festival finally. I came on the right date. I guess that helps. Look, it was good. It was set up well. There was a lot of little things for kids to do. Mixture of food there. There was some Aussie food there, Cambodian, grilled chicken skewers. It was good. I didn't spend too much time there, but again, I've got to put out a massive apology to the Danone Market event coordinators. I really stuffed up. I thought it was the third yesterday, and kind of bagged them a little bit, but it's my fault. So until next time, guys, have a great week, and talk to you again. Ciao for now.